Yes, hello. Tore Bratland from the Norwegian newspaper Dagbladet. Question to Ronaldo. Martin Ødegaard was training with Real Madrid last week. What impression did you get from this player, and do you want him to come to Real Madrid?
Which player?
Martin Ødegaard, this young Norwegian guy.
I know it's him, but I didn't listen what you say. Good player.